Next to a forest nestled among the trees to provide shade and thermal comfort, but with the main facade open to offer a very pleasant view of the tropical garden and the pool, is the Bioclimatic tropical villa. The T3 Architects and KANOPÉA Architecture Studio designed the villa with a truly sustainable approach, tailored for tropical conditions: hot weather, heavy rains, coastal winds due to proximity to the sea, insects, and other wildlife. Adhering to bioclimatic principles, a large insulated roof covers the various functions of the house. Natural ventilation, facilitated by efficient ceiling fans, prevails in common areas, avoiding the need for air conditioning and preserving the authentic tropical atmosphere. The interior design is open concept and minimalist to reduce maintenance and facilitate operation. Custom cement tiles, solid wood furniture, and plywood false ceilings bring both a Vietnamese touch and a cozy atmosphere. Guest accommodations are separated to ensure privacy. This also creates a buffer area from the nearby road to block potential noise and maintain a high level of privacy. The exterior walls are plastered with lime made from locally sourced sand, incorporating a low-carbon footprint and a geo-sourced materials approach, providing a natural effect to the house. Extending the ethos of frugality, the landscaping design promotes indigenous trees and plants that require minimal water and maintenance. The saltwater pool, with a depth of approximately 120 centimeters, not only conserves water, but also reduces equipment costs. The bedrooms, featuring rice husk roofs, walls made of lightweight concrete blocks, and double-glazed doors and windows, prioritize insulation to temper the cold from air conditioning. Located just 2.5 hours by car from bustling Saigon, this villa serves as a manifesto of contemporary tropical architecture, embracing a low-tech yet profound approach to provide an idyllic retreat for weekends and holidays.